Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. Obviously on Monero, or at least obviously I wanted to do a quick video on Monero after the news yesterday that it would be delisted from Binance the 20th of February, which is obviously bad news, or at least it was very bad news with the price right here. A lot of people, like I don't even know, but I think a lot of XMR was actually held on Binance still, which it's a bit of a weird thing if you know the nature of the coin, of course. But yeah, a lot of Monero was there. So most people were not going to transfer it over and we're not going to store it elsewhere. They'll just sell it. So that's what we saw yesterday. Volume jumped up from like 60 million all the way up to 230 million at the bottom. So millions and millions of XMR were sold. But then, and this is kind of a blessing and a curse, and it really is a curse, all right, because the price has dropped down very low. So if you like Monero for what it is, that doesn't matter, all right? So, but then you shouldn't be watching this video either, because right now we're talking about the price and potential trades, etc. So it doesn't matter if you just like Monero because it's Monero, if you like it because of the price partially, or the price potential and the stability, which we have seen for the last 1.5 years. Then I do think it's here, but I do think the prices will be lower, all right? Because something like this, like if you see a price movement like this, like a major fundamental sell-off, and then some sort of recovery in combination, because that's what we're seeing as well, with some decent funding rates, all right? We have some decent negative funding rates, which is a big incentive to go long on XMR. So we can see that. That's pretty positive, but I don't think the price is going to get back up to its previous highs. I think the consolidation, I still think XMR, I don't think it will go into like a landslide, that it will continue dropping down, but I do think it will, like where it first was consolidating up here with 140 as the bottom. I think right now it looks more likely will consolidate down here with 100 as the bottom, which is quite a big decrease, like 25%. So yeah, but right now the main question is, like on the short term, there still is potential as well for a bigger rally, that we can at least get up to this level right here at like 150. I don't think we can stay there, but getting there is a possibility. But the big question is can Monero actually break above this level right here at 125 and 128? That's our main resistance level right now. It's a 382 fib. It's a psychological level. You have the 28 EMA there. So the big question is can we actually break above that? All right. If XMR is able to break above that and really break above that, all right. So break above that and then hold it as support, then more is possible with a move up to 137 at least. I think 150 is going to be hard, but 137 all the way up until 143 is a possibility. But the big question here is, will the funding rate stay low? All right, because you need a relatively low funding rate to actually have more, to actually keep that incentive to go long. And what does the open interest do? Right now the open interest is still good, but if that starts to decrease, then we're losing hype, and then something like this will not happen. So at this moment, I do still think this is most likely, but if it doesn't happen soon, and I'll try to keep you updated on that, if it doesn't happen soon, then the open interest is probably dropping down and the funding rate is probably going to normalize. Funding rates always normalize if the price doesn't move. So then we'll just slowly settle into a new consolidation range down here. All right. So right now I still think the bullish breakout is most likely, but keep an eye on the stats. All right. Keep an eye on the volume. Keep an eye on the open interest. I'll try to do it for you as well. But yeah, that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. Down there, you can also find out more about my premium and signal group if you want to, for example, know when or if I'm trading on XMR, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.